Hi everyone, this is a 2017 Dodge Journey. This one has a really neat package on it. It has the fog lights here at the bottom, has the large wheels. I believe these are 19-inch. Leather, third row seat. It's almost got the same package of the Charger. This one's got leather, third row seat. It's for the family. Really nice. I'm just going to do a quick walk around so you guys can check it out. Here's the back of it. This is a GT. Let me go around it real quick. Dual exhaust. Look at that. Sounds just like the Charger. Here's this side of it. Let's take a quick peek in the inside. We'll do the back first. Leather interior. Look at how clean and nice it is. Has a sunroof. There it is right there. AC controls in the back. There's your third row seat. Second row, it actually has this little pull down, so if you have cups and stuff like that, I can't get it. Oh wait, here it goes. If you want to set your cups down and stuff like that, it has like that little compartment. Right here at the bottom, it has if you want to plug something up, maybe you have a laptop or USB, you can plug that up right there. Rear AC vents, lighting, more vents in the back so everybody gets enough air. The seats fold down. I think it's right here. So you can see the back. Let's go look at the front real quick. For keyless entry, if you had the key in your pocket, you could just push that button and open the car. Power seats. Power windows. Automatic headlights. Let's jump in here and check it out. Push button start. This one is low on gas. Here's what the key looks like. It does have remote start, panic button, lock and unlock, navigation. There's your map for your GPS. And let's see what else we have on here. Here's your controls. Look at that. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, turn the screen off, CD player. That's where you put the CDs right there. This little USB thing, if you want to have pictures to display on there, you can do that. But anyway, this is just a quick look at it. As you can see, this one's in really good condition. Here's another little secret compartment. You can store some stuff in there. That's on the passenger seat. And this is a 2017 Dodge Journey.